Adding Vanilla Visa gift card to your Xbox is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your Xbox. Well, the process is pretty simple. First things first, ensure your Vanilla Visa card has sufficient funds for the purchase. Once you make sure that you have funds on your Vanilla Visa card, just add that into your Xbox. In order to do that, you just have to open up the settings of your Xbox and then go to account. In the account, go to payment and billing and then simply tap on add a new payment method. Now choose credit or debit card, which should be your Visa Mastercard as a payment method, and then enter your details from your Vanilla Visa gift card, which should be your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now use a valid billing address associated with the gift card if required. Typically, the address you registered with the card, which means whenever you buy the Vanilla Visa card, the address that you put while activating it is actually need to put right there. So that's how you will be able to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Xbox. Hope you guys find this video helpful.